everyone, this is Michael Getz, and welcome to the Hometown. Tonight, we are here on location at the Harder Bar in the Lois Greenville area, where we are actually in front of our computer screen now in the process of basically broadcasting around the world on the internet. And with me right now is Craig Lott. How's it going, Craig?
It's going good, Mike. Thank you.
So, this is your one-year anniversary here?
We're pleased to be celebrating the completion of our first year. We're real excited about that, and I think the most exciting thing for the second year is our involvement with the Hometown. Yeah, we're really fired up about that.
Yeah, that first Wednesday every month, a live global open mic, free. You know, if you want to come on down and just be on TV and broadcast on the internet, it's a chance to get your band seen or just folks in general. Who do you got here with you?
Actually, we've got a few of our patrons tonight, some of our loyal supporters here.
Alicia Winter.
Jim O'Brien.
Hey, man, I know you do a little bit of acting. How's that go?
Doing really well, man. It's exciting.
I know you were doing some stuff with Ranger and all that kind of stuff, and we grew up in high school and all that. So what's it like being an actor?
It's a long road, man. It's been a long road. I've been doing it for 9 years, seriously. Getting started with my little parts, got bigger parts. I just had a movie show at the USA Film Festival a couple months ago. I just had a major role on Walker, Texas Ranger a couple months ago, and I'm in on the movie channel right now in the new Pauly Shore movie, The Curse of Inferno. I play a bank robber.
Oh, dude, we're definitely going to check it out. All right. This is Michael Getz. We're here at the Hometown. Any last words, Craig?
Come on down and be on the open mic. First Wednesday, I think that's the key.
Right. You're going to be famous. All right. We appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. You never know who you might see on TV. It might even be you. That's pretty neat, huh?
That's good.